And then, hi, my name is Noel Lopez. I'm patient of Dr. Arroyo. And I have more of this because my dad's friends told us about it. And I wear them every 2 weeks, like 2 weeks, and then I skip a day and I wear them, skip a day and I wear them, and they work really fine. And it changed my life because I play softball. Softball was one of my favorite sports. And when I would hit the ball, I would miss it because the ball was far away from me, and now I can hit the ball really hard. I wear glasses, and now that I don't, it's kind of better because every time I got glasses 5 times, new glasses, because they would break so easily and they'll get on my nerves, they'll bother me right here. And now that I have more lenses, it's much easier for me to see, and I don't have to worry about anything on my face, and it's better.